so that they can go down. Yeah, we are doing what we call smoking from the upper so that they can actually go down, and then we start actually removing the super. We call it harvesting. Yeah.
Save.
We've done harvesting. Now we'll be doing reboxing. We've finished harvesting. This is what we have harvested. It's very heavy. Then we'll be doing reboxing. Yeah. Ivale mfati video.